Hey guys, are you guys looking for a video that's going to help you guys build out ad campaigns for your e-commerce store? Basically showing you guys the process of how to create an ad campaign through its initial stages and its final form. This is my goal, is to empower you through these tactics, give you guys some real life examples. I'm gonna break it down, teach you guys the process so you guys can better your business. My name is Josh and this is BluMedia Marketing. Our goal is to teach you guys marketing solutions that will give you win-win results. At the same time, provide education to empower you with marketing. So if you guys are a new viewer, please subscribe, support this channel. We're going to keep talking about marketing throughout the videos that we keep releasing. And without further ado, let's check out this video and let's talk about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and how to better your business. Okay guys, so what I have in front of me on my screen is basically an ad that I've been getting, which is Lumin, and they're a facial cream care for men. I think they have also for women, but what I'm going to try to show you guys here is actually explain the process that they do these ads. So I'm going to do it on Facebook because it's easy for me to showcase it on a desktop, and I'll show you guys a mobile maybe later on other future videos, but I just want to give you guys the gist. So obviously when you guys scroll, one of the things you guys always have to know when you guys see these ads is that it's a sponsored ad. That's how we identify that it's a real ad campaign. At the same time, one of the cool things that you guys can do when you guys see these competitor ads, whether it's someone in your niche, or maybe let's say it's something that's promoting a dental plan or a dentist visit. One of the things you guys could do to break down as to why you're being advertised, it's a look at this drop down. So when you guys click on these three little dots and you guys click onto why am I seeing this ad, here it gives you the complete breakdown as to why you're being shown this. So one of the things is they're doing a lookalike audience, which is similar to their customers, so we know that. The other thing too is they're getting English speakers, whether US or UK. They're also hitting people within the 21 to 44 year age range. They might have another product for the older demographic, but at least it's giving you the range that you're like, okay, I do fall into that. At the same time, it's telling you the primary location in the United States. So that's telling me that they're advertising all the US, not just in a particular state that I'm in. The other thing too is there's other ways to break down the ad campaign as to what they're doing, but let's talk about this ad itself. One of the things that they're doing right off the bat is that they are showcasing a video, which gives you guys a breakdown in terms of what they're offering, and it's a pretty aggressive offer, which is a 30-day free trial of 3 products that they package depending on your needs, and it's very kind of easy for you not to do it. I think the only thing you got to pay is the shipping, which is pretty low. I think it's probably like $8 or $10. The other thing too you want to identify too when you're running these ads is having some heartfelt copy, whether it's a testimonial, which they did here, and then give out some bullet points as to what you're getting, the value. Why am I getting this? Because one of the things you want to tackle is what's in it for them. Always when you're talking to your audience, what's in it for them? What's in it for them is the 30-day free trial, and you're getting 3 free products, right? Take away the fear. That's the second thing you want to think about. Taking away the fear is also the 30-day free trial, because now I don't really have to lock in with you guys, right? I could just try you guys and see how it goes. If I don't like it, then I can leave. And then the other thing too is why act now? Well, they tell you offer expires soon, because you got to have some deadline. You got to have some time urgency on the ad itself for people to take an action. So you got to make sure you let people know the value that they're getting, what's in it for them, taking away the fear, and then why act now. As long as you could tackle those 3 things, you will have a pretty strong campaign. Copywriting does take time for you to master, but with few variations, as you guys know, when you guys create ads, you guys can create different assets. And what I mean by that, let me go to my Blackboard here real quick. What I mean by that is that you have obviously an objective, the campaign, which is, this is sales conversions, right? Within this conversions, you're going to build out different, ad sets, which are different targeting options. So, I got targeting A, I got B and C. Sorry if I can't write well, it's just my mouse. Within these ads, these targeting ads, you're gonna have a couple of ad sets, meaning the creative. So, the campaign, ad sets, and then the creative. Creatives, you just want to have at least 3, because then you let Facebook and Instagram determine which one is the best one that will be served to your target audience. So, when you're doing these ads and you're building them up, you always want to take that in consideration, because when you're writing these copies, it doesn't necessarily need to be that there's the only copy you'll have. You'll have different variations, because it might kind of resonate with a different copy than this testimonial and 3 bullet points. So just keep that in mind. Also, videos do really well. Videos are king, but not to say that static image doesn't work either. As long as you have something that's eye-catching and it can actually stand out, you'll be fine. So let's talk about the process of this ad campaign. I'm going to break down some other ad campaigns that they have to give you guys a better understanding of how you guys should be running your e-commerce campaigns. Meaning you have Shopify, WooCommerce, you guys have an e-commerce store, you guys are rolling ads on Facebook and Instagram, or even any other platform, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter. This is the game plan for you. So when clicking on this ad, I click on Shop Now, I'm going to do a new window. It takes me to a timer. The interesting about this campaign is that it's giving you a sense of urgency. Again, you have to act now. That's one of the things you have to make people do, because this offer is basically something that they probably might not do in a couple of months. Maybe in July they do something else different, August they do something else different. So they have the timing here. Now, one of the cool things about this page is that it's a landing page that they've created, and the reason why you can tell is always look at the URL. It's try.luminskin.com. And you can tell because it's basically informational. You're going to ask, why do they do this? Why am I seeing this? Well, because I've landed on this page, I'm actually going to get retargeted to, which is running on my pixel up here. So if you guys look at my upper right hand corner, oops, let me actually clean that out. If you guys look up here, the pixel is firing. So as a marketer, I know this because this is my business. I do this for clients. They're running a retargeting campaign if you fall on this page. So if I fall here, I'm going to get campaigns resurfaced to me if I don't convert. And I'll talk about the process when I write it all down for you guys. So, I go through here and, I read all the information. Cool. I'm reading it, value propositions as to why they should, purchase this product. I say I'm interested. Cool. Let me click here. I click on this page, and now I'm taken to another specific landing page to the offer that I was seeing. So you got to make sure everything is consistent. If I keep seeing this exclusive free trial, make sure that the timer landing page is the same as the final landing page I need to fall into. Here, I'll pick the set that I want. Obviously, you're only paying about $5 for the shipping, and then after that, you're going to pay $60 if you stick on. The reason why they're doing this is because they have your credit card on file, which is easy to convert you if you stick on, whereas if they don't have your credit card on file, it's hard to make the sale afterwards. And if you don't like it, then cancel. You don't have to worry about it. But at least they have the system set in play to make this automate itself. And they have different product lines depending on the demographic. Obviously they can't have a one size fits all, so it caters to different needs, which I really like. But the one thing I do want to tell you guys about their landing page before, which is the timer, is that, okay, so as I was saying about the timer on the landing page before, if I do a refresh, as you guys can see, the timer is now at 2 minutes and 39 seconds, 38. Nothing really happens. If I do a refresh, it goes back to 20. So again, this is just a decoy. It's a way to kind of get people to, have that urge to buy now. So you can do this too. You create a landing page with informational, put the tracking pixel here to retarget people that don't convert. And the way we can find that out is easy. So remember the process. We have, the campaign here, which is the ad. We have the landing page here. And then we have the final page, which is where it's a website specifically for this. And if I purchase this and I convert, obviously Facebook will know that I converted, which if they have it set up correctly on the back end, they can segue me out on these future ads to promote to buy, the product now. So let me show you guys what I mean by this. So you first have your ad campaign, right? Which is what you guys saw, the ad, right? So with this ad, I'm targeting specific demographics, interests. When you guys are building the campaigns, don't put all your eggs in one basket. You definitely want to have a couple of variations, meaning interests. You got people that like certain product, like Sephora, maybe some other beauty product lines. You want to have a custom audience, which is basically if you have a list of customers that you have, you can create a custom audience based on that. If you have people that have already purchased products on your website, a certain threshold, which is over 50, you can create a custom audience behind that, which creates similar people like them. So let's say, for easy example, we have the ad. They click on the ad, it takes us to that landing page, which is a timer, again, sense of urgency, and then it takes them to that final form page, which is the buy now, right? They're ready to purchase. Now remember, when we click on the ad, it takes us to the landing page, we are getting, the pixel of Facebook, right? Which is the retargeting. So because the reason why we're doing this is because we want to get people back into our shop if they have not converted. And sorry if I can't write well, it's just my mouse. But the way that we find that out is, let's say we go to the final stage, which is this one right here. Let's say we have, John, and then we have Josh, which is me. We have John that followed through. He picked the product line that he wanted. He submitted his information. He purchased the product. He converted. We made the sale. Facebook will know that we have one conversion. That's through the pixel. That's through the system itself. Now let's say Josh, myself, I go through the process. I get to the final stage. I get distracted. I maybe don't want it, and I don't follow through. So I'm gonna do a cart with wheels. If that makes any sense, guys. And I'm gonna put an X because that's abandonment cart. So on the back end through Facebook, what I could do is, obviously I can segment out John in future ads and put Josh back into the retargeting. How do I know that Josh visited my site and didn't purchase? Well, through the pixel and also through the steps that he fulfilled. We did know that he fell through the landing page, that's for sure. We do know he went to the final page, but he didn't convert. So if I do this correctly and I segment out people that did not convert to get retargeted, then that's how you fulfill this process. So if you guys see the campaign here, and let me clear my screen here, that's how it's done through Lumin. Lumin is creating a bunch of campaigns. They also have another campaign here, which is a quiz. It's the same thing as the other one that I was showing you guys with the timer up top, but it's more intuitive. Nothing happens here any more different than what I showed you guys before. Let me show you guys what I mean. So they tell you what kind of skin type. I'm gonna say dry. I say I have dark circles, oily skin. Let's say I'm 13 to 24. Cool. They maybe get some data out of it and they get some information, but the timer's still there. What's the whole process behind this is to create different avenues to see what method works best. If you guys can kind of test different variations of the process of the funnel, it might help you guys identify what works and what doesn't. So you guys see right now, it's taking me to the final landing page, which is the conversion section, which I need to pick, go through the information, put my billing information and so forth. So again, you guys are kind of seeing the process here. And one of the other cool tactics that I will show you guys too is you guys can go to any competitor's page and actually look at the ads that they're rolling. And what I mean by that, if I go through Lumin, I go all the way to the left hand side, go all the way to the bottom, page transparency. If I go all the way to the left side, all the way to the bottom to page transparency, click on see all, and you guys go to ad library, which is at the bottom. You guys will see a huge amount of leads that people are rolling. So here, you guys will see the different campaigns that these competitors can be rolling, get you guys some ideas in terms of copy, how they're doing it, which is something that Facebook launched, I would say the last year or early this year. It was just a way to kind of make things transparent with the whole Facebook issue that they had going on with Congress last year and all that stuff. So again, this is a great way for you guys to identify what's working and what not, kind of give you guys some creative ideas, and you guys can go through the filters here. So you guys can go active ads because we want to see what's relevant. If you scroll down, you guys see all the campaigns that are rolling. So you're seeing it's not just one variation of ad, it's different ones. And that's what I mean. You got to test a lot of different ways and different copies. It might be similar across the page, but again, you want to make sure you have different variations. And let's say if I go to this ad here that was just released today, June 30th, and I do a right click, see all, it's taking me to that page I was telling you guys again. So again, the process here is pretty simple in terms of how to build out the campaigns. My goal is to give you guys some insights as to how they're building this. Yes, I will create videos in terms of how to build out the campaigns on the back end, but there's a lot of videos out there that can help you guys start this off. But my goal is to show you guys processes. And with Facebook and Instagram, you create the ad. With Facebook, you need to create the foundation of the ad campaign, which is the ad itself. Then you need to take them somewhere. As you saw, Lumin did a landing page specifically for this ad, which they hit the retargeting pixel if they don't convert. Then you take them to that final page form, which is a conversion section. Again, the process here is pretty simple. And let's say, like the example we talked about, the other level, which I'll go more deeper in another email, I don't want to overwhelm you guys, is email marketing. So for the example that I gave you guys about Josh that didn't convert and he fell through the abandonment cart, there's actually processes in terms of implementing abandonment cart email series to get them back into the door. So I can get Josh to actually purchase our product with either a reminder or maybe a promotional offer after maybe the third or fourth email, because I want to get Josh to convert and try our product. Because if I can get Josh to convert and actually purchase our product in the future, his lifetime value will increase, which will create a win-win for us. I don't care if I have to pay $10 to get Josh. If I can get him to purchase our product for shipping and then be on a subscription for the whole year, well, my ROI for Josh is positive, and that's what we want. And with email marketing, that's just another layer to protect your business to get people back into the door. Remember, the processes here are all simple and easy. What I'm trying to show you guys is solutions that help you guys, and I'll go with other videos, create other processes, give you guys examples. I'll talk about Google Ads, email, Snapchat, TikTok, all the available mediums out there, and also give you guys strategies so you guys can implement them in your business. So I guess, guys, this is it for me. I will catch you guys until my next video, and thank you guys for watching. And if you guys haven't done so, please subscribe, like, comment below, and let me know what you guys think. Later.